Hi everyone, this is a video about this 12-piece flexible reversible ratchet combination wrench set that is really heavy. After someone that I knew took my tools and lost them, I needed to buy one of these. So I searched on eBay to find something. I always wanted to have one of these, and I found it in a very reasonable price. These normally goes up to from 22 up to 27, sometimes £30, under £30. But I found this under £22. But now this seller has discounted this under £19, and it's a very good deal. I show you this, and then I show you the seller. If you want, you can go and purchase this item. So this item came like this, fast shipping, and nothing really special written on the box. But what you see here, I get everything out of the box and we talk more. So when you get everything out of the box, you face with this, and when you open it, you see it comes with a pair of gloves that is not really good. If I put my hand in it, let's see, is it the right size? Yes, my hand size is nearly medium, and is good fit, but a little bit cheap. But I guess this side is some sort of plasticky feeling to it that avoids oil to get to your hand, and this part is somehow is see-through and is really good and comfortable, and the elastic is also is good. So the video is not about the gloves, so we put them aside. And this is really amazed me that someone can produce this for such a price. And this is all reversible. Reversible, it means if you tighten it and then you want to loosen it, yeah, you can reverse it in order to tighten or loosen. And then it comes in this box that is really rugged. But I have to tell you that this item is really heavy. I show you the smaller one. The smaller one, all of them, they have the size of the ratchet or the spanner on them, written on them, and it's good quality. I don't know how long it's going to last. I don't do any heavy duty stuff with this, but I really can use one of these, and they can pivot at the end as well. That is really good. So I show you the seller of this item, and then you can go and purchase it. And now that this seller just discounted this item to this amount, £18.95, and is fast shipping. I tell you guys, this guy is really fast shipper. And although that feedback is not really good, but in my experience was very good, and it came within 3 days, less than 3 days, and I'm really happy with this. And I thought I share this video with you. And the sizes on this is from 8 millimeter, ranges from 8 millimeters to up to 19 millimeter. This is the largest, 19 millimeter, and the chrome looks good. And this is the 19, and the quality is not bad, and there is not much of movement here, not much of movement there. Is really rugged and of highest quality. And sometimes it's just amazed me that how people they can afford something like this for under 22 pounds, and now is around 18 pounds. So is fully recommendable, and just it comes with these two as well, is a bonus. So this is supposed to be a short video about this spanner set, ratchet spanner set, 12 pieces for under 19 pounds now. So I fully recommend this, and I hope you enjoyed my video. And until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.